In a verdant, sprawling forest, there existed an uncommon friendship, a bond between two unlikely companions, an ant named Anthony and an elephant named Ellie. Anthony, with his minuscule size but mighty spirit, and Ellie, a towering figure of strength and gentleness, embodied a perfect harmony of differences. The forest, their home, was once engulfed by a severe drought that left the plants withered and animals struggling for survival. Witnessing the predicament of their fellow forest dwellers, Anthony and Ellie decided to step up. Anthony, with his extraordinary sense of smell, could detect food from miles away. Ellie, on the other hand, was gifted with a long trunk, perfect for reaching the high branches of trees to gather fruits. This dynamic duo, with their unique strengths, were the lifelines in these desperate times. During their food hunts, they encountered a group of famished monkeys. These poor creatures had been searching fruitlessly for days. Touched by their plight, Anthony and Ellie decided to extend their help. Guided by Anthony's keen sense, Ellie reached up to a tall tree and plucked some ripe fruits. Anthony then transported these back to the monkeys, who were overjoyed to receive the much-needed nourishment. Their journey of aid didn't end there. They aided the giraffes in reaching the tallest tree leaves and the zebras in finding fresh grass. They even extended help to the lions, putting the natural order aside and embracing the spirit of unity and survival. Thanks to Anthony and Ellie's teamwork and compassionate hearts, all the animals in the forest survived the harsh drought. They were celebrated as heroes, their friendship an enduring testament to unity in adversity. In the tapestry of their tale, we find a beautiful lesson. It teaches us that no matter how different we may seem, we all have unique strengths. And when we combine these strengths and work together, we can overcome any challenge that comes our way. It's a story of friendship, of unity, and of the power of cooperation. A story that reminds us that even in the face of adversity, kindness and teamwork can triumph.